Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can reach the customer service in the Linktree app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then tap on More on the bottom right corner, and you have to scroll down. Here at the Help and Support, tap on Ask a Question. And here you can search for articles, for example, or you can send them directly a message. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.